Hey friends, my name is Becky, and listen, I get it. Investing in an espresso machine is a big deal. You want to make sure that you're getting the right one for you. So I figured let's make a latte together while we do a close-up review of the Breville espresso machine. Let's do it. All right, let's power this baby on. So when I first got this espresso machine, I actually knew nothing about making espresso or lattes or anything of the like. So I really love how user-friendly it is. So this is touchscreen, and you have different drink options. You have espresso, Americano, lattes, flat whites, cappuccinos. You have custom settings as well as tea, hot milk. And right now we're just going to do a latte. And so it actually walks you through it step by step, which I love. And so it comes with different cup sizes depending on how many shots of espresso you want to do. I'm just going to do a single shot today, so I have a single cup in here. My beans are already loaded in, and I'm going to use this guard. It kind of helps with keep the beans from spilling over. So I'm going to set this to a single shot and go ahead and grind the beans. Okay, perfect. Take this off. Now, this comes with one of these little guys, which I think is really cool. You can just press down your grinds with that. It's magnetic, so it just pops right back in there, which is awesome. Now, let's see. We're going to brew this. It just locks right in. Right now, it's showing a double. Again, I'm doing single. I'm just actually going to bring down the seconds to what I prefer. I usually do about 17 seconds for a single. You kind of learn as you go what you like. I'm not going to make you wait for this. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to grab my coffee, take this right out. Now what's awesome is that it actually comes with a milk frother on the side. It has a sensor right here where you place your metal cup on top of it, so it sensors and reads the temperature so it knows when the milk is done. So again, I'm not going to make you wait for this process. Okay, I am going to just move the milk to the side. Another awesome thing about this is it's super easy to clean the wand. You just wipe it down and it self-cleans. Isn't that awesome? So I don't know latte art, but if you're watching this and you know how to do latte art, I just want you to know you're cool in my books. Let's just pour that right in there. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Guys, I can't express how much we love this Breville machine. We don't even go to coffee shops anymore. We have coffee at home. We love it. I highly recommend it. There's so many different options on here, so many different drink types that you can make. I love it. Highly, highly recommend. I think it's a great investment. So I think you should try it out. Cheers.